If you are looking for how to merge pictures in PowerPoint, then don't skip the video. First, you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar, click on the picture and click on this device and select the pictures and click on insert. You can see that the pictures are overlapping. So you can drag it and resize by dragging the corners. Resize the picture. So once you are happy with the placement, so what you have to do is hold the shift key and select all pictures and then right click and click on the group. This is what you can see, that now all pictures have been merged and you can easily move anywhere on the slide. So if you want to ungroup, then again right click and click ungroup. Now you can see that the pictures have been ungrouped. So now in this way you can easily merge pictures in PowerPoint. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.